Hello, welcome back everyone. We are here live at Atascosa, Texas, home of one of our dealerships. I'm Xander behind the camera, and today Faith and I wanted to show you guys the Phoenix. Now Faith is inside, of course, so we're gonna go in there and join, but let me let y'all know the specs of the home, which are 3 beds, 2 baths at 1178 square foot. Now, without further ado, let us go inside.
Hey y'all!
Hey Faith, how's it going?
Good, welcome back to our live. It's good to, see all y'all. Before we start this tour though, I have a very important announcement. It is my boss, our savior, Sydney's birthday today. So on behalf of Brausty and everyone that works here, happy birthday, Sydney. We love you.
Happy birthday, Sydney.
Yes. Okay, so let's get started in this home tour. So right here we have our living space. You can set it up like this. If you don't, there's really no place to put the TV if you set it up this way. But if you put the TV on that wall, you can definitely move the couches over here. Maybe have an L-shaped couch, just something different other than just a couch and 2 chairs, or 1 chair, sorry. Over here, you could put bar stools up. It's not really like a bar area, but just maybe for some extra seating, so you and your family can have enough space to eat. But first, this is my favorite part of the house. I mean, look at this kitchen. It is massive. Tons of storage all underneath with shelves inside, so you can fit more pots and pans, more dishes, anything you need. You have 4 drawers right here, plenty of space, and of course, your cabinets up here. Now, what I love is these little shelves on top of all of these cabinets. Oh, look who it is. It's Brausty. And 18 days till Christmas. It's getting closer, everyone. I'm so ready to start giving gifts and receiving gifts. So, yeah, but up here, I think you could just have more storage, or you could decorate it. I mean, it's Christmas time. You could put so much Christmas decor up there, just like our little friend Brausty. If you follow me this way, we will go to our primary bedroom. But before that, you have your washer and dryer hookup right here. I think this is great because, one, I don't love doing laundry. But if it's right next to my bedroom, I can just go back and forth. So in here, lots of natural light with your 2 windows. Plenty of space for queen, king, whatever you'd like. Maybe a dresser over here. Maybe another big TV. Just plenty of space for you to hang out in here and relax after your long week. In here, you have your walk-in closet. Lots of space in here. I just think that you could store plenty of clothes. Or, with all the clothes that I have, this could work too. In here, we have our primary bathroom. You have some drawers in here, some cabinets, and I love the countertops. It just really looks so sleek and so fancy in here. Then you have your walk-in shower. Glass doors to walk into. It's very spacious. Have 2 little benches to sit if you need to if you're a girl like me and shave your legs, you need a bench to sit on. So it's just perfect. And now we're gonna head to our secondary bedrooms. So here is our first secondary bedroom. These are very large bedrooms. And you can fit your dresser here with this little indentation and put your bed here. Really, there's so much space to just fit things into. You can fit it in your corners. You have your corners. You can put it in the middle. There's plenty of space in here for what you need. Again, your closet. Nice storage above and possibly below if you add some shoe racks or anything like that. Now we're going to head down the hall. Down this hallway, you have your secondary bathroom. Space underneath the sink as well, and just a short walk from your living space so your guests have easy access to.
And again, for those joining We are at the Phoenix. These are 3 beds, 2 baths with 1178 square footage.
Perfect. This is your secondary bedroom, and this one is huge. I mean, you could fit a queen, maybe even a king in here. This is a very large secondary bedroom. I think this could even, if you don't want it to be a bedroom, it could be an office. It could be a gym. It could be it could be anything. A library. If you read like me, you could put a library in here and definitely cozy up with your books. Here is the closet space. Lots of storage again, up top and down bottom. Well, y'all, that concludes our tour of the Phoenix. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank y'all for joining us, and see y'all next time.